Presenting the ECPL 3836 Pocket eCharge Lighted USB Charging Tool Backpack by CLC. This one-of-a-kind backpack functions as a practical tool backpack while including an integrated USB charging system powered by the provided 15,000 mAh power bank. Capable of charging 2 devices simultaneously, the backpack can safely charge your cell phone, tablet, notebook, camera, or any other USB-powered device. The 4 internal wall pockets keep devices securely stowed while they power up. The integrated 2-level 200-lumen LED light system with adjustable steel neck is powered by the power bank and helps light the contents of the backpack. Any work in low light conditions is made easy with an adjustable wide area illumination or close-up work illumination. 31 multi-use pockets inside, 5 pockets outside, 4 additional loops and measuring tape clip help organize a wide variety of hand tools. The padded webbed carrying handles and adjustable shoulder straps allow for comfortable transportation, while the base pad feet help fight against abrasion. And when the work is done, the 15,000 mAh power bank is removable and can be used as a power source anywhere you go. The power bank comes with an included USB wall charger.
Capro, the world's most innovative manufacturer of hand tools. Introducing the 313 Measuremate, the ultimate home improvement tool. The 313 Measuremate is a sturdy ruler and straight edge with an easy grip triangular profile, making it far easier to handle than conventional flat rulers. But the 313 is more than a ruler. Capro has applied its innovation to make the 313 Measuremate the perfect tool for a wide range of home improvement jobs. Let's see what the Measuremate has to offer. The 313's unique design features 2 inset vials for clear and accurate horizontal leveling and vertical plumb measurements, making it a handy and precise spirit level. Transferring measurements is easy with the 313's sliding markers along the ruler's profile. Once you've marked the measurement, you need just line it up with one hand and mark with the other. Far easier than the traditional two-handed tape measure. Straight, safe, and accurate cutting is also easy with the 313's built-in knife guides in both markers. This keeps the blade aligned with the straight edge and away from your fingers. Centering points on shelves, pictures, and other fixtures for hanging is simple with the 313's 0 and center point markings. The 313 also has standard placement markings along the profile for easy alignment of electrical outlets, sockets, and plumbing fixtures. In the 313 Edge is a handy nail gripper that doubles as a tool hanger and a drill bit gauge. Safe and easy nailing every time. And of course, the 313 Measuremate is a ruler and straight edge with a strong aluminum profile that ensures a clean edge for every marking job.
Impact Performance Series double-ended power bits from Irwin. Built for maximum durability, Irwin's Impact Performance Series power bits are manufactured to withstand the high torque of impact drivers. The precision tip ensures a better fit. And with their double lock technology, both ends lock securely.
One bit, two tips. So you could be working on a door frame, or you can be working in some other applications where you're putting in a number 2 and then you need a number 3. You just flip it around and it makes it very easy.
I've noticed they fit the screw a little better. It helps not camming out so much.
It takes a lot longer for the screws to strip out, but when they do, it's nice just to be able to take it out, flip it over without hunting another bit down.
Plus, the exclusive Power Groove design is for use with Irwin's magnetic screw hold attachment. The low-profile collar attaches securely to hold fasteners, reducing slipping and wobbling.
Irwin has come up with this ingenious idea with this magnetic clip that goes right over the bit, and it turns that bit into a magnet. Now you're not losing those screws, makes your job 10 times easier.
Irwin's Impact Performance Series double-ended power bits assortment includes 78 unique bits. Choose from 3 lengths and 4 tip types in a variety of combinations. So whether you're looking for twice the life or the convenience of carrying less bits, Irwin lets you do more with your impact driver.
Time is money in the construction industry, and the Irwin bit has made a big difference for us.
For the widest range of impact accessories on the market, be sure to check out the complete line. Impact Performance Series from Irwin.
Introducing Porter Cable's new 20-volt max lithium-ion oscillating tool, PCC710B, part of the new growing link system of high-performance tools. Featuring the patent-pending tool-free blade change system, makes accessory changes quick and easy. A variable speed dial delivers 8,000 to 18,000 oscillations per minute for optimized performance and control. This tool features a comfortable 3-position overmold, allowing users to work with less vibration and fatigue. A powerful LED work light brightens dark work areas and includes 20 assorted cutting, sanding, scraping, and grinding accessories. 20-volt Max Compact and Max Pack lithium-ion batteries are compatible with the tool. Both the Compact and the Max Pack batteries deliver the power and runtime needed for the job. 20-volt Max oscillating tool delivers performance, ease of use, and value demanded on the job site. As part of the new line of Porter Cable 20-volt Max linked system tools, it delivers the power you need at the price you want. Get linked with the power and performance of 20-volt Max.
Moving furniture is a real struggle. No matter how hard you try, you need more than one guy. Hi, I'm David Jones, here to show you how you can move any piece of furniture in your home by yourself. This is Easy Moves, the do-it-yourself furniture moving system. Now that's easy. Just lift, place, and slide. The Easy Moves furniture lifter gives you up to 10 times your natural strength. Then the Easy Moves slide right into place so that your furniture simply glides across any surface and then slide right out when you're done. Get your Easy Moves furniture system today.